Good afternoon, YouTube. Just a little update video on my DesignSpark tutorial that I posted earlier today. We were talking about parametric modeling and the use of formulas in DesignSpark. It turns out that I made a mistake. I'm old. I'm 62 years old. So when I'm writing out formulas, I just happened to use the wrong notation when I typed in the formula into the box in DesignSpark. So I'm going to show you the right way to do it now. So, you know, when I went to school to do multiplication, it was first number, X, second number. Okay. I should have realized, being a programmer for so long, got to use an asterisk. So that was the problem. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and go and do my share. We have DesignSpark open, and we're going to go ahead and use that. And so here's our sketch plane. And so what we're going to do is we're going to just jump in here and we're going to draw a rectangle. This is just a placeholder rectangle. So we're just going to go like in the previous example in the video. We need 21 millimeters plus 8 millimeters, and that's going to give us a total of 29. And then this is the formula that I mistyped in the earlier video, but now this formula works. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go 78.5 asterisks for the times 4 parentheses plus parentheses. We need our dividers, 3 asterisks 2, and we're going to close those parens, and then we're going to say plus, and we'll just go ahead and complicate this even more. Now we need the inside and outside walls, 2 asterisks 4, and close parens. Now that should give us, look, 328 millimeters, just like we needed. So that was my fault. Instead of the asterisks, I used an X, because when I'm writing formulas out on paper, I use X. I'm old school. And so so I screwed up. That was my fault, and I'm more than willing to correct that fallacy. DesignSpark does do many interesting formulas, I come to find out. You can, for example, let's say you need a line. Let's go ahead and change this, hit escape. We're going to go to the line. Let's say we need a line, the square root of 25, which would be 5. But for some reason, let's say we have a formula with square root in it. So I believe the notation is, whoops. Oh, I hit something on the keyboard that it didn't like. So we're going to go into the line mode here, and we're going to go into here, and we're going to say SQRT 5. And you can see here that it created a line square root of 5. Okay, so let's get rid of that one. So here's the line here, and that is, oops, I got to hit the select button, and so here it is here, and it's 2.236. So let's say we needed a square root of 25. So that should give us a line of so 5 millimeters. So let's go here, and we'll say SQRT of 25, and that's going to give us, it's not going to give us anything there because we're in the wrong. I keep hitting a keyboard command here, so let's see what we've got. So in this case, we have a line that's actually 7 millimeters long. We don't want that. Let's go into the text box and say SQRT 5 and hit that. And now we have, I'm sorry, SQRT 25 and hit that. And now we have a line that is 5 millimeters long. So it'd help if I could type, right? So anyhow, just wanted to clarify that. You can do all kinds of stuff. There is a list of functions that I will try to find and put them in the notes, in the description notes, in this video and in the other video. So I just wanted to make sure that this gets corrected. Let me go ahead and stop the share. So once again, have a great afternoon. I'm sitting inside because it's raining outside. Can't go out in the sunshine and enjoy myself. But in the meantime, I'm finding out more and more things about DesignSpark Mechanical, and I'm finding out about my limitations. So I am Ben Brady, the 3D Printing Texan. Thank you. Hit subscribe. Ring the bell.